Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox not chatting. First, make sure your internet connection is stable, ensuring it registers at least 25 megabits per second download speed for a smooth experience. You should also check if the Roblox servers are currently experiencing any outages. Sometimes, these external factors are the sole reason for communication issues, so it is a good initial step. A quick search online can confirm server status. A primary reason for chat not working is your account's age. Roblox automatically disables free chat for anyone under 13 years old, so ensure your birth date is correct in your settings. Furthermore, a parent or guardian might have enabled account restrictions through parental controls, which can limit communication. Check the account settings under the Parental Controls section to adjust these permissions if needed, requiring a specific PIN. Next, navigate to your Roblox privacy settings, which are crucial for chat functionality. Here, you will find options like who can chat with me and who can message me. Set these to everyone or friends to enable communication, otherwise, chat will be blocked. Also, confirm that filter chat is not set to a very high restriction level, which might inadvertently block all messages. These settings offer fine-grained control over your interactions. If the above steps do not work, corrupted local files might be the culprit. Try clearing your Roblox cache, which often resolves unexpected glitches and performance problems. If the issue persists, a full reinstallation of the Roblox player is recommended. First, uninstall the game completely from your device. Then, download the latest version from the official Roblox website and install it cleanly. This process usually fixes even the most stubborn chat malfunctions, providing a fresh start.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.